Oh baby! Woohoo! Damn, you're good looking. Now where is this puzzle building guy gone? Well, never mind. He said he has a challenge for me, so let's see what it is. Dr.Disrespect Rubik's Cube Challenge. It's 3 things and not 1. I hope this guy pays me well. Alright, let's go. Solve a Rubik's Cube. I've never done that before, but how hard can it be, right? I mean, can you give me a challenge, please? Okay, so the last thing is solve a Rubik's Cube with your eyes closed. I will do inspection first. Closing my eyes now, and let's go. Alright, and we're done. Just checked, and it seems good. You know what to do now, guys. Buckle in, because this channel is going to be amazing. So get subscribed right now for amazing stuff to come. Bye bye. Was it worth it? You tell me.